My name is Aaron Bowman, and this is my 5th year here. This is my second time taking a class with David Franklin. The first class that I took was on making carving knives, crooked or bent carving knives. So these are the 4 that I left class with 2 years ago, and just located them last night to use them in this class. So we're making canoe style forms or bowls. I obviously left some meat on each end to try to play with or get a little better with my carving skills. But yeah, this place is totally incredible. I've taken a couple classes every year and then a couple weekend workshops, and I mean the staff and the instructors, it's just there's so much information that comes through here. I mean, it's not, for me personally, it's not so much the product that you leave with at the end of a class, but I mean, it's the knowledge that you gain throughout a week. And I mean, it's not only the instructors, but it's the other students and the staff. I mean, there are things to learn from everybody who comes to this place. So that's one of my favorite things about it.